Alright, this is how we're going to start the Model A. First thing, right here is the valve for the fuel. This is the off position right now. So you turn the fuel on. Okay. That's your starter button right above the brake pedal. And this little thing is your gas pedal. Turn the key in the on position, like that. Transmission is just like any standard 3-speed. To the left and up is reverse, left and down is first, right and up is second, right and down is third. Okay. This right here is cruise control, right here on the steering wheel. Don't worry about that too much. Then to get her started, so we got the on switch, get the fuel on. And this little thing right here is the choke. So I'm going to put my foot on the starter button, pull up on the choke. I'm holding up on the choke a little bit. Okay. Then after we get it parked and all that, while it's still running, go ahead and turn off the fuel and let it run out. And then, okay, once that's out, turn the key off, and we're good to go.